Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili soya chunks. Start by rehydrating your soya chunks. Place about 1 cup of dry chunks into a bowl and cover them with hot water. Let them soak for approximately 15 minutes until they are soft and plump. Once rehydrated, gently squeeze out all the excess water. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture and allowing them to absorb the marinade effectively. Now, let's get those chunks crispy. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Carefully add the marinated soya chunks to the hot oil. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and have a nice, crispy exterior. This adds a wonderful texture to your chili soya chunks. With the chunks ready, it's time for the flavorful chili sauce. In the same pan, if desired, or a fresh one, sauté 1 teaspoon each of minced garlic and ginger, along with 2 chopped green chilies. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 1 cup of diced bell peppers, cooking until softened. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your crispy fried soya chunks to the simmering chili sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure the chunks are fully coated in that delicious, spicy goodness. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh spring onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds before serving hot. And hey, for more great deals and the link to that amazing robot vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.